Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new EVBASE LED light kit for my Tesla Model Y. So let's get started in the unboxing, but before that, make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe down below, and the product link will be found in the description box below, so please check that out. Alrighty, so this is what all it came out from the box, and as you can see, we have a couple of flyers over here and warranty cards, etc. It's also the thank you notes, and then here we have the adhesive strip that is included, so we need to apply the adhesive strip onto the LED lights. Now here is like this sort of AI type of device, which I call it, and basically what this device does is that when your car powers on, the light will automatically power on as well, and when your car powers off, the light will turn off as well. So this is a pretty nifty handy device which you can use, but I'm not going to be using it in today's video. This is one of the methods to connect it, and this is why like a hardware into the Tesla, like into the back panel. And they also include this pry tool right over here, so that is pretty nifty. So as you see, this is the LED light. Now, as you can see, they include like 3 LED light strips, in which one is a long one, which goes onto the dashboard, and then the other 2 are like from your center console. As you can see, they're pretty short, like this. Pretty awesome. And this is like the connector on the end. Now here they also include this magic box, which is basically like the connector. So basically these are the 3 pins that each of the lights fit into, and then this, out of this one, you put it in one of the 3 connection methods, whether it's this one, or this one. So let me show you what the connection methods are. So this connection method is by the cigarette lighter, and basically you can turn the lights on and off with the switch, as you can see. But I'm not going to be using this method because I do have a dash cam installed, which is already taking up space in the cigarette lighter, so I'm not going to be going down this route. What I am going to be doing instead is using a USB method, which is pretty self-explanatory. It is a much easier way because this is like a plug and play way, so you can just plug this in, plug it into your center console, and that is basically it. So now, with all that being said, now let's apply the adhesive onto our lights and install it in my Tesla Model Y. Let's do it. Okay, so let's install the lights, and we're going to be running down from here all the way over here. So let's now measure the lights, and I can say that the light is, we have to keep some distance from each side, about like 3 inches or something, just like this, so that it is centered. And then we can wire it through. So let's start. After installing the strip on the dashboard, now we need to take off the side panel in order to run the wire through. So as you can see, we have the strip nicely installed on the dashboard, and then with the wire we have to run it through from the little notch down there, and then beneath the carpet all the way through over here, and then that's how you get the wire over here so that it has a nice clean install. And then you just plug it in, and then for the app, you can just download the app, follow the instruction. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. This is basically the app. It's called LED Lamp on Google Play Store and Apple Store. And once that's done, As you can see, we have turned on the light and it has a nice RGB look, and honestly I'm pretty surprised with the smoothness on the light and animation. It is pretty extraordinary. And you can see this is the blue color, then we have the red, and then the white, then the green, and then the purple. And now I'm just showing you like a couple colors. There's like millions upon millions of colors, like the whole RGB spectrum. And now if you want to buy this light, I will have the link for that in the description box below, so please check that out. And also give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.